finally, this week's bouquet, the Cleo, named after my cat because she likes grass. In your box, you'll find 2 packs of flower food. Add 1 to your vase right away, and then follow along with your trusty care tips sheet. Okay, start with your 5 white Magnum disc buds around the outside of your vase. And then add your 7 Everest Astrolameria, which you should recognize from the last week because they're in season right now, so we're using them all up. So dot those in between your big blooms. Here are your Lysianthus. These ones should be cut slightly longer, and then you can put them in the middle. As they open up, they will sort of spread through your bouquet with their tenderly blooms. And last but not least, take your grass and dot it throughout. Ta-da! The Cleo.